The holiday season is in full swing, and if you're like me, you can get a bit overwhelmed between shopping, cooking, decorating, baking, and all those Hallmark movies. It's easy to get run down. All of these celebrations can be a bit stressful, so how do I find balance between these traditions and my mental health?
Well, Matt, I agree. The holidays can be a stressful time for a lot of us. It's important to pinpoint what makes you feel relaxed. If you're looking to move your body, check out our virtual group exercise schedule. You can sweat it out, or if you're looking for something a little lower intensity, try a restorative yoga class or a 15-minute meditation. If those aren't for you, maybe just reading 5 minutes of your favorite book or heading outside for a short walk.
I travel a lot to see family during the holidays and can't think of ways to work out outside of my regular gym. What are some ways I can stay active in airports, hotels, or even my aunt's house?
Fortunately, you can stay active and get a great workout in at all of those locations without any gym equipment. Try a bodyweight circuit routine consisting of jumping jacks, push-ups, bodyweight squats, chair dips, and even lunges. And remember, when you're at the airport, do take advantage of the miles and miles of indoor walking space to get your steps in for a cardio workout. Enjoy your trip.
The holidays make me so tired. I feel like I can never catch up on sleep. Do you have any hacks for that?
I completely understand and agree that the holidays can make many of us feel tired. Here are some tips and suggestions that I recommend that may help you and others find the restful sleep that we all need to help us perform at our best. Number 1, avoid caffeine after lunchtime. Number 2, write down a to-do list for the rest of your day in the afternoon. Number 3, take a warm bath or shower before bed. And lastly, power off all your electronic devices 60 minutes before bedtime and silence your phone. Give some of these suggestions a try, and hopefully you'll wake up tomorrow feeling rested and ready to tackle the day.
There are so many yummy treats around the holidays. How can I practice moderation?
My number 1 tip for practicing moderation is to choose the sweets you love the most. We pick sweets for a variety of reasons. Maybe a family member is pressuring you, or maybe you have leftovers lying around the house. Choose your favorite sweets and ditch the rest.
With these steps, you can stay physically and mentally strong all season long, and then throughout the rest of the year. And for even more resources, including inviting a coach to an upcoming meeting or sharing a personal fitness achievement, everything you need is on our health and wellness page, which you can find in today's story. And a huge thank you to our coaches for sharing their tips and tricks for a happy and healthy holiday season. Until next time, you're up to speed.